Look at the mighty Hercules struggling with his little load. Pathetic.
Look at you, bro! Still living in that dump? I'm living the...
We're almost there. College, here we come.
Hang on tight, T. Time to see what this baby can do. Just keep your eyes on the road. The Zorpons have penetrated the outer defenses. I repeat, they are inside. All available squads, intercept them at the main nexus point. Go! All right, time to squash these zombies.
Get out of here, I'll handle this!
You shouldn't have come back here, Tomato. This is your last warning.
Banana, please don't leave me.
I can't do it.
second, is that?
Look at all the lights! I've never seen anything like it. This is the best adventure ever! Oh, you are so sweet!
And you are the apple of my eye.
You completely ruined everything. I told you not to touch it. Now look what happened.
I'm done, Carrot. I can't keep watering this dead relationship. Goodbye!
Wait, please, don't leave me.
This is all your fault, you know that!
My fault! You're the one who pushed her! Please stop fighting, both of you!
You scratched the paint. Our fault.
I'm sorry for everything I said. I really missed our friendship.
Me too. I'm so glad we could work this out.
Look, over there! It's Apple Girl!
Hang on tight!
Attention, occupants! This is the police. Exit the warehouse immediately.
Isn't it a lovely day for a stroll, Tomato? Isn't it a lovely day for a stroll, Tomato?
It certainly is, Carrot. Look at those giant sunflowers.
Did you see how red the radish got when the lettuce complimented it? Oh my goodness, yes!
Soon, the carrot and the tomato will learn who the real vegetable is around here.
Hey there, Red. Take this and you didn't see anything.
Huh? What is this?
Ooh, shiny.
Hey, Tomato, forget that. Let's play.
Hey, Tomato. Come on, let's go play.